Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, pag-aaralan natin ang distance at midpoint ng mga points.
Like a Hellcat.
Ang formula ng distance ay d is equal to square root of the quantity of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 square plus the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 square. Meron din tayong formula for the midpoint. That is x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. Let's have an example. For example, point A is 3, negative 7. And point B is 0.38. Okay, kung ipa-plot natin siya, nasaan yung 3, negative 7? So, 3 and negative 7, so andito. Dito yung point A. How about yung point B? That is 3, 8. So, andito naman yan. So, it is point B. So, hanapin natin yung distance ng point A at point B. So, ano ulit yung formula ng distance? That is D is equal to the square root of the quantity of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 square plus the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 square. This one. Okay, so substitute lang natin. So, asan dito yung x sub 2? So, ito yung x sub 2. So, that is 3. Minus x sub 1, ito yun. That is also 3 square. Plus y sub 2. Ito yung y sub 2. That is 8. Minus y sub 1. Ito yun. Y sub 1. Minus negative 7. Simplify natin. So, 3 minus 3, that is 0. That is 0 square. Plus 8 minus negative 7. So, dahil double negative, so magiging plus. So, that is 8 plus 7. That is 15. 15 square. And 0 square plus 15 square, that is square root of 15 square. So, para makakancel lang to. And then, ano yung square root ng 15 square? That is equal to 15. So, yung distance ng A at B ay 15. Kung titignan natin sa graph, pwede natin itong bilangin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So, yung distance nila is 15. How about the midpoint? So, again, ano yung formula ng midpoint? That is, midpoint is equal to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 divided by 2 and y sub 1 plus y sub 2 divided by 2. So, substitute lang natin. So, ano yung x sub 1? That is 3. X sub 2, 3 din. Divided by 2. How about yung y? Y sub 1, that is negative 7. Plus 8 over 2. Okay, so unahin muna natin yung una, yung x. So, 3 plus 3, that is 6. 6 over 2. And 6 over 2, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. How about yung isa? So, negative 7 plus 8, that is 8 minus 7, that is 1. So, ano yung midpoint? So, we have 3, 1 half. So, ito yung midpoint. Midpoint. Okay, plot natin yan yung midpoint yan. So, 3, ito yun. And then, 1/2, so kalahati. So, andito lang siya. So, it is the midpoint. Ibig sabihin ng midpoint, sa gitna nila. Let's have another example. For example, x ay nasa point -4, -2. And y ay nasa point 1, 7. Yan. So, point lang natin tong dalawang to. So, -4, -2. So, ito yung -4, -2. And 1, 7. So, 1, 7. Okay. So, ano kayang distance nila? So, again, the formula for distance is square root of the quantity of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 square plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 square. Okay, so substitute lang natin. So, x sub 2, that is 1, minus x sub 1, that is -4. So, that is double negative square. Plus y sub 2, that is 7, minus y sub 1, that is -2. So, double negative din. So, kapag double negative yan, so magiging plus. So, that is 1 plus 4 square plus 7 plus 2 square. So, what is 1 plus 4? That is 5. So, 5 square plus 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 square. Okay, so what is 5 square? That is 5 times 5 and 25. And then 9 square is 81. 9 times 9 is 81. 25 plus 81, that is 106. And ano yung square root ng 106? That is 10.29. So that is 10.3. Sabi na natin 10.3. Round off na natin. So the distance of point X and point Y is 10.3. So ito yung X. Ito yung Y. So nakuha na natin yung distance nila. How about the midpoint? So midpoint is equal to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2 and y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. So x sub 1 is -4 plus x sub 2 is 1 over 2. How about yung y? So y sub 1 is -2 plus y sub 2, that is 7 over 2. -4 plus 1, that is -3 over 2. And -2 plus 7, that is 5 over 2. So, ang midpoint is -3 over 2 and 5 over 2. And kapag kinonvert natin yan sa decimal, so -3 halves, that is -1.5. And yung 5 over 2, that is 2.5. Okay, kung plot natin yan, so hanapin natin yung -1.5. So, ito yung -1 plus 0.5, so sa gitna. And then 2.5, so ito yung 2, then may 0.5 sa gitna rin. So, andito siya. So, andito yung midpoint. Ito yung X, ito yung Y, and ito yung midpoint. So, ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayo natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.